Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log into your Bitget wallet. For that, make sure you get the application at the first. Now at this home page, you need to simply tap on Get Started. If you haven't created your account or sign up for your account, you can see the option Sign Up at the top right. You can simply tap over there and they will be guiding you further to create one. You can also log in using your Google ID, Telegram or your Apple ID. Now for this video, I will simply go from my email ID. After you are done, you can simply tap on Next. Now this kind of box will pop up. You need to simply select in this order. After you are done, you can simply tap on OK. Now here you need to enter your password. Now in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can tap on this option and they will be guiding you further to recover it. If not, you can simply tap on Login. Again, this kind of box will pop up. You need to simply select in this order. Now a verification code will be sent to your email. Make sure to check it and enter it over here. And now you can see that you are logged into your Bitget wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.